Modal verbs: can, ability request; could, past ability suggestion; may, permission future possibilities; might, present or future possibilities; must, necessity obligation; auto, what's right correct do; shall, offer suggestion; should, advise prediction; will, willingness prediction promise; would, request invitation. Green flags in people: they celebrate your wins, they remember small things about you, they respect your boundaries, you feel energized after saying them, they listen without being defensive, they allow you to be fully yourself, they make you feel safe, you don't have to watch you say, they support your goals. Be silent if you don't know the full story, if you feel unable to control your emotions in the heat of anger, if your words can destroy an amazing relationship, if you are unsure about the topic or lack of knowledge when someone is sharing their struggles and vulnerability, if you can't talk without yelling, if your silence can save bonds, if speaking will only serve to boost your ego, if your words can betray someone's trust. Basic English versus Advanced English. Sorry, apologize, problem, issue, improve, enhance, idea, concept, many, numerous, show, demonstrate, also, moreover, buy, purchase, use, exploit. Pagkaing pampatalino: dark chocolate, rosemary, citrus na mga prutas, turmeric para mahusay ang paggana ng utak. Nagugutom ka ba? Ito na lang kainin mo. Saging, mani, kamuti, olive oil upang mapabuti ang kalooban at ang iyong kalusugan. Pagkaing nakakatulong sa prostate: kamatis, garlic, avocado, bell pepper, broccoli, legumes, whole grains, mushroom, nuts, green tea. Pagkaing pampatubo ng balbas: spinach, kape, bell pepper, pasas, basil nuts. Paano tumagal ang relasyon? Kailangan manatiling tapat. Ipadama sa kanya na mahal mo siya. Igalang ang bawat isa. Huwag makipaglandian sa iba. Maglaan ng oras para sa isa't isa.